Hello, welcome to Healthy Khmer Cooking.
What are we going to cook today?
We're going to cook the vegetable garden soup for today. So we have garlic, potato, carrot, broccoli stem, broccoli flower, broccoli leaf, bell pepper, Chinese celery, and we have coconut milk, chili, soy sauce, and salt.
What do we do first?
First, we have to turn on the fire, but be careful with the fire that we use. Then boil the water in medium pot. Okay. Now the water is boiling. So can you give me the garlic? Thank you. Add some garlic. Not much. And then add the carrot. Okay, now just wait for the carrot a bit soft. Okay, the carrot is a bit soft now. So can you pass me the potato? Thank you. Okay, just leave it. Do you like vegetable?
Yes, I do like.
Why?
Because it helps my skin clear and it can help our immune system.
Oh, that's good. So yeah, now our carrot and potato is ready now. So can you pass me the broccoli stem?
Yes.
Thank you. So now we add it like this. Stir it a bit. Okay. It's soft now. So we have to add broccoli flower. Can you pass me? Stir it. Leave it a second. Yeah, it's almost cooked, so we have to add broccoli leaf.
Okay.
It's soft now. Can you pass me the bell pepper?
Why do we leave it until last with this?
Because it will lose the vitamin. So we have to put it in the end. Let's stir it. So add the salt. Can you pass me? The salt. Add some salt. Stir it. And can you pass me the soy sauce?
Sauce.
A bit soy sauce. Stir it again. Make sure everything is mixed. And then add the coconut milk.
Stop it.
Yeah, before we put it in, so we have to stir it first. So next, we add the chili a little.
Chili.
Yeah. If you like spicy, you can add it more. If you don't, just add it a little bit. The last one is we add Chinese celery. Add it on the top. So now we are going to decorate it. So can you pass me the bowl?
Yeah.
Can you bring it close? It looks delicious, huh?
Yeah. I can't wait to taste it.
Yeah, me too.
I hope it's yummy.
I hope so. Here we go. It's done. And I hope you enjoy this video and hope you will cook it at home or anywhere you want because it is healthy food. It's good for us. And thank you. ជំរាបលា